Hey everyone, we are doing our Aldi's, or we did an Aldi's run today, and we also went to Food City, and this is going to be a travel shopping video, or shopping haul video, because Matt and I are going out of town this weekend, or this upcoming week. It's Sunday now, we're leaving on Friday, and him and I are going away for a weekend for our 14-year anniversary. So we did an Aldi's haul for what the kids are going to be eating while they're at home with their grandmother, and I didn't pick up any of mine and Matt's food for the weekend because we're going to get that on the way out of town. You'll see that on our travel video. But let's take a look at what the kids are going to be eating, what we're eating before we go out of town. So in all technicality, I had just said that, but some of this food actually is going out of town with us, but I'll explain that in a minute. What we paid for our grocery budget for this week, hi Chubby, is we have 1 gallon of milk, This is for food for going out of town for us this weekend. It's a half gallon of buttermilk. These are for Matt for breakfast for this week. There's 4 in here. It's like $3.99, so it's less than $1 for breakfast. And then he has breakfast provided at his work on Tuesdays. And Matt is changing out a smoke detector, so you might hear the drill in the background, but we really needed that changed out, so we had a minute right now. This is the 3 cups taco style cheese that we've really been preferring to get. And then this is I think this says 3-pound bag. No, 1-pound bag, sorry. 4 cups, 1-pound bag of mild cheddar. Oh, it been a long day with shopping with kids. And then this is for Sarah for goat cheese. The meal plan will be in the bottom. I forgot to add that again. The meal plan will be in the description below. The kids are having like a party platter for lunch one day while we're gone. So this is for Sarah, so she doesn't have to take a pill just to eat cheese. So we have the frozen broccoli. That's for soups for this week. The ham is also for while we're gone. This is to make jambalaya with. Then 1 loaf of bread. The ramen noodles are to make soups with for this week. And we also add the corn and the carrots to it. We're going to alternate these out. And the broccoli. And I think that was all we were going to do for rotation of vegetables this week. 1 box of pasta for spaghetti while we're gone. Shells and cheese for my niece who doesn't eat spaghetti for while we're gone. The Jiffy Mix is going to go with a recipe from my mother-in-law. She just said pick up Jiffy Mix, so I said okay. And then I didn't have time to go to Walmart to get any Chobani flips, so I picked up some of the Greek yogurt from Aldi's. This is the tropical fruit one. We all got the same flavor. We just all randomly picked that one. I already showed the breakfast sandwiches for Matt. This is the coconut and chia for us for the girls. I don't normally do that, and sometimes I do it in the summer if we have extra money in our budget to get everybody their own individual yogurts. But with this being a travel week, I don't want leftovers. I'm working on cleaning leftovers out of the fridge, and that way my mother-in-law doesn't have to like work around leftovers and all that and spoiled food going bad. So this way it was easier just to do this week for individual yogurts for each meal, and the chia or the granola to go with it because the granola won't go bad. Crackers are also for while we're gone. It'll be for the kids for their snack platter. We have to get 3 boxes of jambalaya every time we do it. We did not buy the ranch from Aldi's this time. Matt didn't care for it. So this is the food that we're using to bake and or taking out of town with this. Brown sugar, the 4 sticks of sweet cream butter, cinnamon, self-rising flour, which is not with the all-purpose flour, and I almost freaked because I knew that they carried it. Sugar, 2 containers of apple juice, and 6 eggs. 5 of those will be hard-boiled. 1 of those is for baking. And we also picked up 1 pack of the Boulder napkins. That vegetable oil we actually already used from another haul, so that's not actually part of this. Okay, so that is all this part of the haul, including what this part like is actually not in our budget because we're getting reimbursed for that. This part is. And then, so let me put this away and then I will show you what we picked up from Food City. And here is the rest of our haul. This is the haul part from Food City and one Rebecca eating lunch because we got home late. Alright, so the Prego was 99 cents a jar if you bought 5. So we went ahead and got 5. We got 3 roasted garlic parmesan and 2 Italian sausage and garlic. The traditional was sold out, so we just got these. Then we picked up 2 buttermilk ranch from Food City. We always buy them 2 at a time just for sanity's purpose. Matt likes the Food City brand better than the Aldi's. The Aldi's was thicker. It may have just been that batch, but it was thicker and we just didn't care for it. So we picked up Food City this time. And then we picked up 2 cans of the Hormel chunky beef with beans chili. We normally get the no bean, but this is what my mother-in-law wanted to do a recipe, and we always do Hormel brand if we're buying canned chili versus making our own for recipes. 1 pack of the Old El Paso taco seasoning mild. The ground chuck was $2.99 per pound, hence why we're doing Taco Tuesday, and while they're doing spaghetti while we're gone. So I'm going to brown it on Tuesday, and then I'll put it in the freezer for Saturday, and then they can thaw it and make spaghetti. 1 bag of the shreds green leaf, it was on sale for $1.99 instead of $2.49. And then every now and then, instead of buying whole chicken or buying chicken by the pound, and when they put the rotisseries on sale, we pick up rotisserie. I wanted to do some chicken meals, so we picked up these. They were $4.99 each. They're pretty heavy, and they're gonna make about 4 meals out of them. So $10 for already cooked chicken. I figured, you know, versus the cost of actually baking it and all that, yay. So, and because again, travel week, so as little time cooking as possible is a beautiful thing. So I got the mild cheddar from Food City. And then tomorrow is mine and Matt's anniversary. So the girls wanted to get a special treat. So we picked up the Edwards S'mores cream pie. We haven't tried the s'mores one. We've tried the turtle, the Hershey's, and the Reese's ones, and we seem to like those. So that is it for this haul. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Fist bump.